going to teach you how to subtract two digits to two-digit numerals in horizontal form. First, what are we going to do is to group themselves by their places. So 5 here is in 1's place, okay, and 3 next. 8 here is in the 10's place and also 2. So what are we going to do is to group them by their places. So 1's subtract by 1's, 10's subtract by 10's. Now let's try. 5 subtract by 3 is equal to what? It is equal to 2. So it is look like this one. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Why? Because 5 here is more than 3. So you are going to write 2 here. Next one. You are going to subtract the 10's place. 8 subtract by 2 is equal to 6. How? So it will be like this. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So you are going to write here 6. And that is the answer. Next one. Like what I've said, you are going to group them by their places. Okay. Now, let's move on to this next number. As you can see, 2 is less than 9. Now, what are we going to do? So 2 here will will borrow again. So 2 here will borrow to 7. So 7 becomes 6. Why it becomes 6? Because we are going to borrow 1 from 7. So it will be what? 70 minus. So 70 minus 10 is equal to 60. That's why we have 6 here. Or we can just write 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 because these two numbers represent as 10's place. Okay, now instead of 7, it will become 6. Now, where is 1? 1 here represent as 10, right? So it means it will be what? 10 plus 2 here because we borrow to make this one more than 9. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So it means instead of 2, it will be 12. So now let's subtract 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And then 6 instead of 7 minus 3 is equal to 3. That is the final one. Next, let's move to the next one. Okay, how about this one? 5 is less than 6 or 16, or 45 is more than 16. So it means 5 is less than 6. What are we going to do? Can you follow what I did from the last one? Now let's try again. We are going to borrow 1 from 4. So 4 here becomes 3. Why it becomes 3? Because 40 minus 10 is equal to 30, or 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This one represents as 10's place. Now, what will happen to 5? 5 here, not already 5 because we borrowed 10. It will be 10 here plus 5 is equal to 15. Now, instead of 5, cancel it and write 15. Now, can we subtract 15 to 6? Yes, because 15 is more than 6. Let's try. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. And then instead of 4, it will be what? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now, to check your answer, you are going to get the difference and then add to the subtrahend. This one is what we call checking. To check if your answer will be correct. So it means you must get the first or the minuend. So 29 plus 16. Okay? Try to do my previous video how to add 2 digits to 2 digits. So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so our minuend is 45. So it means our answer here is correct. Now let's move to the last example. Let's try this. So 7 is less than 9. What are we going to do? Try to borrow 2, 6. So it will be what? 6 will become 5 because 6 minus 1 is 5. And 7 will become 17. Why? Because 10 plus 7 is 17. Now, try to subtract these two numbers. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Correct. And then, instead of 6, we will use 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So, our answer here is 18. How to check your answer? To check your answer, you are going to add difference and subtrahend. So it will be what? 18 plus 49. 8 plus 9 is equal to 7. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So it means our answer here is correct.
I am going to give you some exercises so you can practice at home. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for your listening. I hope you enjoyed this video and please share it to your friend. Thank you.